This girl has been able to perceive supernatural phenomena since she was young. She was not overcome by fear. Instead, she swore to become a powerful exorcist. So, she sought out the experienced exorcist, James, hoping to become his apprentice. However, James thought she was just a beginner, lacking the talent for exorcism. She handed her a prayer bead to dismiss her. Annie thought this was a sign that James had accepted her as a disciple. But when she returned to study exorcism with her, Annie found that she had already left the place. A neighbor nearby explained that after James saw the abilities of Annie's friend, Alice, her pride was deeply wounded and she quit the profession. At this point Annie realized that Alice and Amy had arrived. They also discovered that James's shop was closed. Amy couldn't help but criticize the weak power of the prayer bead. Annie upon hearing this thought they were outsiders, not understanding the true strength of James. However, just then, Amy was about to pass through a ghost. Alice, noticing this, pointed out that there was a cockroach on the ground. Amy avoided the ghost because of it. Annie saw the scene and thought Alice was acting strangely. So, Annie began investigating Alice in secret. She noticed that Alice always managed to avoid ghosts. One day, during physical education class, Alice scattered bottle caps in the warehouse to attract minor ghosts. Then she invited Alice to help her move things in the warehouse. Annie said that they were the same kind of people and could both see ghosts, but Alice questioned what she was talking about. Annie was shocked by this response, thinking Alice was looking down on her. So she pointed at the minor ghost on the ground and confronted Alice. Alice could naturally see it, but she was too afraid to admit it. There was a large ghost behind Annie. If Alice admitted she could see it, the ghost might notice them. Sure enough, the ghost started to stir, and it seemed like they were about to be attacked by the large ghost. Alice thought of her favorite wrestler, and used her special technique to strangle Annie, until she lost consciousness.